Folks, let me tell you what I got in here. I got pork. Some nice Filipino brought a bunch of okra over to us. We got pork, okra, onions, garlic, soy sauce. I even got this Mamacita's barbecue sauce going here with a little bit of salt, a little bit of brown sugar. This is actually my third iteration. You know, I want to thank my wife and her sister for chopping up all the pork, and chopping up all the okra and everything. And this is the third iteration. If you'll just take a look right here. And I've got this, again, I've got this wok wide open, but this wok has a mind of its own. And I think a reason it has a mind of its own, especially in the Philippines, is because the power is variable. It's not like a straight up, you know, you can't get a straight up variable. So I got it wide open. And on this meal right here, I'm actually adding enough water. And I just told everybody, hey, there's no food here. We're eating over on the beach in about 1 hour. Hey girl, you coming to the beach? This girl right here is so sweet. It's Jonalyn's, the crazy neighbor. It's her sister. She is so quiet and so sweet. And her older sister is crazy as a shithouse bat. Because I've already disinvited 2 people. One is my wife's cousin. Her name is Meredith. She's not invited because she came over to my crib today and fucking was a texting zombie in violation of my fucking rules right here. She's not invited. Other than that, anybody's welcome to come. And we made a big ass pot of rice, folks. I told Florentina to fill that shit to the top. I got a full thing of rice. And I've got a kilo of pork with the okra, the onions, the garlic, the sauce. And like I said, I wanted this to make sure it cooked nice, and I wanted a little bit more sauce slash soup because I'm not sure how many people I'm going to feed over there. And if you're listening to that background music, I'm listening to my own recording over in Patio with that Filipino band at Hooters. Highly recommend you check out that video. And can somebody hand me that lid over there? And folks, here we are. This is my view. We made some food at the house, and I told my ladies tonight we are having basically a picnic on the beach. And we had a choice of going on the sand, but this young lady who lives right here, she went back inside. She has this table, and so I said, you know what, I'll give you 10 pesos to rent this table. Obviously, she took me up on that offer. So we're gonna post up on this table, and I want you to look around at my view, folks. It's so beautiful. This is what I did. I just did 2 hours of work in the kitchen while 3 Filipinos slept on my couch. I got a little bit of work out of them. They chopped the vegetables and then they all just went to sleep. And I'm gonna tell you right now, if you date a Filipina, she loves to sleep. But let me show you around. Let me show you what I'm bringing to the fight right here, folks. I'm gonna unpack this right here. Let me give this to my wife's cousin. Her name's Meredith. She loves to text. And she did have a copyright strike. She was texting in my room, and it was real close, folks. So hold on to that, Meredith. But she's so beautiful. But nobody asked me for her number because she's getting married to a dude named Rick next year. And looks like I got soy sauce all over the place, folks. I want you to check it out right here. We got a big pile of rice right there, thanks to my sister-in-law. And look at that. That is courtesy of the Marquitos. It's gonna be absolutely delicious. Come on over here. While the ladies get that set up on this rented table, I just want to show you around. Look, I said 5 minutes from the beach. I am 2 minutes from the beach. And if you'll just scroll right here to this place right here, this is a friend of ours. This is a friend of ours place right here. And so we're welcome out here on the beach. And folks, we got vidjokey going on. I'm underneath a palm tree, trying not to get hit on my head with a damn coconut. And I want you to check out this bar that I brought. Okay, check this out. I brought the Old Captain for me. I brought the salt shaker we made yesterday out of the Jamaica lime juice. And we got some C2, we got Coke. And I brought the Tanduay from my friends, my local friends. They love this stuff. I'll be honest with you, I do not like Tanduay. And everybody's got an opinion. I'm down with this Old Captain right here. And they're not paying me a sponsorship. I just like it because I like the price and I like the taste. I got the fishermen's getting their net ready. They're going out fishing at night, or they're either coming in, one of the two. I'm living in paradise. I'm living in paradise in a room for $28 a month. I just cooked about $5 worth of food, and I'm probably gonna feed, I don't know, 20 people. And maybe that dog over there, I'll feed him too, all right? If you're not a subscriber, right down there in the bottom right-hand section of your screen is an overstay road sign. Folks, this is what you get right here. You get a little slice of my life. And later on tonight, we are going to Vidjoki over there, and I'm gonna sing some songs for you. And you're gonna say, damn, why is he not in Nashville? Hey, George Strait didn't get started until late in life. I'm 45. I could have a 30-year run in the music industry. Hey, if you want to sign me, just listen to this, and I'll entertain all offers. And I want to renew one more thing. Conor McGregor, I don't care if you beat Khabib tomorrow, whenever it is. I got no internet here enough. I don't got the satellite. I can't watch that shit. I don't give a shit. But I'm challenging Conor McGregor to a charity fight. I will sign a contract right now for $1 US or 1 Philippine peso to fight Conor McGregor. The proceeds go to charity. And you know what? I guarantee you I will last 5 rounds and it will go to a judge's decision because I'm smarter than to let that motherfucker knock me out with a left hook. It ain't happening. All right. Conor, if you're watching this, dude, pony your ass up. You got fucking like 400 million in the bank. I got about 300 bucks in the bank. I will fight you 5 rounds and we'll donate the proceeds to charity. But when I whoop that ass, don't take it personally. All right, let's go ahead and eat, folks. Let's get it going. These little fishing boats right here, it's like a 2-man rig. I've been out fishing with my friends over on Battalion. And they go out for about 5 hours, put out the net. And folks, we fished for 5 hours and caught like 3 or 4 fish. You know, it's not an easy life over here. And you gotta respect these folks for hustling and trying to make it. But I'm gonna tell you, I'm in the northern part of Cebu province. And I am living life to its fullest. This young gentleman right here tending to the nets. Got folks over here, but just it's beautiful. If you don't like palm trees and you don't think palm trees are beautiful, I have no idea what the hell you're what you're doing with your life. And that's my wife right there. You know, she's making me up a plate. I told her I'm starving. Yesterday was the first time I ate in 3 days. I know I'm a little bit crazy, but check this shit out. I eat 1 time a day. I've said it 100 times, but I got fucking drunk for the past 3 days. And check this out. I didn't eat for 3 days. I was just drinking and chilling. My wife said, you gotta eat. And I'm like, why? I'm not hungry. And so after 3 days of no food, yesterday, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not a fan of McDonald's, but you know, I grew up in America, so once a month, once every 3-6 weeks, whatever, I will go to McDonald's. So yesterday we had to go to the ATM machine, and I hadn't eaten in 3 days, and I was like starting to feel a little shaky, right? Because I was drunk and fucked up. And so I did have a Big Mac combo. That's the only thing I've had now in 4 days. But I just cooked that damn pork that we bought up at Prince, little like warehouse store or whatever. And so I'm finna chow down on the shit. And I told the ladies, look, we're not doing anything extravagant tonight. What we're gonna do is have a picnic on the beach. And the lady that loaned us her table, thank you very much. God bless you. And I am gonna give you that 10 pesos. Just to keep the sand out of my shit, right? But I'm finna go drink another another rum and coke. Wherever you're at in the world, I hope you're having a great day, a great morning, a great evening. And I'm gonna remind you that money can never buy happiness, because I'm looking at a $5-6 meal, 7 with drinks, and I'm probably gonna feed 20 people. And holy shit, this is gonna be a night that I'm gonna remember. And this is what I focus my life on, is making nights like this that I can remember. Because in 20 years, I'm a dead man. And most of you watching this shit, you're fucking dead too. 20 to 30, we're all fucking dead. Anybody that wants to come to the Philippines, have a drink with me. My one friend, Mike. I can't remember your last name, Mike. And shit, I won't put it over the air in case you're particular about security. But you did email me. You said you're coming to Manila in October. In this month, you said November, you're coming to Cebu. And folks, look. If you want to hook up with me, I am cool with it. But you got to do like Mike did. Mike said, hey man, I'm coming in October to Manila. I'm coming in November to Cebu. And that gives me enough lead time to say, hey man, that's cool with me. Let me know when you're coming to Cebu, what your dates are, and we will hook up. But you know, a lot of you folks, man, I respect it, and I'm honored, and I'm like in awe that you say, hey man, can we hook up for a drink? I'm in Pattaya next week. But folks, my videos are a few days delayed because it takes time to edit and post that shit. And like all day, I tried to upload a video. It got to 50%. So there's a lag time. I'm gonna do a little bit better about telling you where I'm at, because I want to meet you guys. You know, one of the reasons I'm doing this shit, because by nature, I'm an introverted motherfucker. And the way that you better yourself is to put yourself in them situations. And when I do meet up with people, I enjoy the fuck out of it. I mean, I've met so many interesting people on this side of the world, but I had to get that kick in the ass. And so, Mike, man, I appreciate you taking the time to email me. You gave me enough lead time, and man, I'm gonna do my goddamn best. We are gonna hook up in Cebu City, or if you want to come up here and hang on this beach, man, we'll do the same shit and cook, or we'll go over to Bantayan Island, or we'll go to Malapascua, man. So I look forward to meeting you, dude, and I want to say thanks to all my Patreon subscribers that threw down $1 a piece. And again, it's not about the money, it's a fucking dollar. It's about the fact that you took so much time out of your day to type all that shit in and just to send me a message. You know what? I'm in fucking awe. And I appreciate every one of you. So I only need about 999,995 more subscribers and dollars. And I'm going to get to 1 million a month. I'm going to fucking accomplish this little challenge. Holy shit. Give a shout out to my dad back in the States, my mom, and my son. Hey, miss everybody, but this is my life, and this is just life. This is my life now. 28 bucks a month, cooking these badass meals for a few bucks, feeding the masses. Folks, it's time for me to go eat. All right, click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video for some more fucking outstanding content. Peace out. Sorry to wake you up there, dog. Folks, check this out. They made me a big ass plate, and I was like, hey, don't wait on me. And I looked over there at my wife's sister and the cousin. Well, obviously they didn't wait on me because they about half done with the plate over there. All right, folks. All right, we're out of here. Until we hit the vidjoki, I'll pick it back up.